Lakefront.
This is Lakefront Park in Kissimmee. They got the event lawn, which is just right over here.
And we are here. And they have lots of things going on.
And they got boar shelter, rain garden, so they got like different things you can. There's a playground, alligator shelter.
Yeah. Alligator. We can
Children's play water area, all kinds of stuff.
They have otter shelter, panther shelter. You see that panther?
I think those are just the names of the shelters.
Okay.
There's like a playground over there.
It's very beautiful on a sunny day.
See, like this is where you can. She's gonna pull in backwards and drop that sea-doo in the water.
It's just very beautiful here. Very quiet. Not many people here. That's the most important thing. It's not crowded, and people just fishing and walking their dog.
Monday to Friday,
Like people skateboarding.
You guys playing the Puerto Rico flag.
You want to go down there? Oh, you need to put on life jacket?
Pretty sure
It's just beautiful. Very luscious green. Look at kids that are having fun here. They're doing barbecue, dancing.
Yeah, I do.
It's very nice.
we got another party going on down here.
The kids can get out and enjoy. The family can get together, cooking.
And there's a walkway built in, but I think this goes to the parking lot.
Yes, that's very important to know about. Where? Oh, there's a gator.
Hog and a tiger over there. Lion athlete. Street. And that's how we started our fire at the Halloween party.
So you mean like the, what do you call them?
It's like moss, it's like dry moss or whatever.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's the apartment.
Look at the light poles.
So? If the weather is cool, it's just so beautiful, so quiet.
The lady got out in her sea-doo finally. She got out in her sea-doo finally.
Yeah, I saw the frog. They're just jumping.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the frog.
The birds are just looking for Friday.
It's so beautiful.
Wow, there's 1, 2, 3.
Well, we now know why the birds they get together trying to run away because there's a gator.
He's not gonna come up in the marsh.
This gator, and the bird just like making a noisy saying, "Get out! Get out! Get out! There's a gator."
Yep, they're warning each other, aren't they?
Yeah. Why would you want to pay money to see gator in a park? You can see the wild gator here.
See?
Yeah, here comes the big one. He's just casually cruising.
Getting higher out of the water.
And say, ooh, look at that! This little one just submerged herself.
No, there's nothing to see over here. There's nothing. Oh, there's another one.
Where's another one? Is third one?
I think I can see a third one there.
Jeez, how many here? That's a real gator, big one. I think this park is really beautiful, simple, and has all the amenities.
In a way, it reminds me of Santa Monica here, boardwalk area, but a lot less built out. Obviously, no beach, but
We have waterfront. And we have gator.
there's gators.
There's no gator in California.
No,
We have gator. There's so many beautiful birds.
those are great. I'm sure a few years ago there was nothing here. It was just marsh, swampy area.
Yeah. See those kids? They're having fun. Look at the birds. The birds are having fun too. It's beautiful. And it's cool if there's no direct sunlight. You know, maybe you come here early morning or late afternoon. It just feels like a 75 something. 75 degree.
Professional photography equipment.
People taking their wedding, like birthday party or photography. And you look above you, it's just sky without like concrete, without buildings. It's so beautiful.